This is part 2 of Calculus Lesson 7.2. Again, part 2 of Calculus Lesson 7.2. We just have one more slide. Here we are. We've got these two graphs, and I want to find this area. Okay, there's the area that I want to find right in between these two graphs. Now, which graph is which? Well, the parabola, x squared minus 2x, that's the one right here. Y equals x squared minus 2x. The one on top, that's the other one, that's the sine graph. Y equals sine of x. Okay, now, where are we going to start? Where are we going to start our cutting, our slices? Well, you see it here. We're going to start our slices right here at, and it's very apparent, it's at x equals 0. Now, where are we going to finish? Well, right here. Now, what isn't apparent is, what is that x value right there? You're going to have to use your calculator. What I would do is, if you don't know how to use your calculator to find the intersection of two graphs, watch my video. Okay, it's on the remote learning tile under this week's lessons, and it's finding the intersection of two graphs using second calc on your TI calculator. Okay, now how I'm going to do it. I'm going to graph these two on my calculator. It's a little different, but you want to watch my video on how to find this. Let's go on mine here. X squared minus 2x. Okay, here we go. Let's go up here. Yep, there they are. There's the two graphs. Okay. Let's go to a window here, and let's go here. I think I had something like -2 to 2, okay, actually to 4, okay, and let's go here on the y values. Let's go -2 to 2, okay. Okay, let's go to graph, and there it is. There's the shape. Now, we already know that this spot, okay, there we go, right here, that's at x equals 0. That's where they intersect. What we want is we want this one right here, okay, there it is. Look at up the upper left in my graph, 2.31. That's what you should have gotten when you did this on your graphing calculator using second calc or second trace. Again, watch my video if you don't know how to do that. That's the x value that I want, 2.31. That's what I needed to see. There it is. So here it is. X equals 2.31. Okay, we're going to start our slices at x equals 0. We're going to finish at 2.31. Let's do the integral. 0 to 2.31. What graph is on top? Yeah, it's the sine graph. So sine of x minus parentheses. What graph is on the bottom? Okay, x squared minus 2x. There it is, and then we put the dx. Why did I put the parentheses around the x squared minus 2x? I definitely put parentheses for a reason. Yes, we have to distribute this negative. We got to distribute to here and to here. So let's do that right now. Okay, here we go. 0 to 2.31. It's sine of x, and it's going to be minus x squared and then plus 2x dx. There it is. Let's do antiderivatives. Okay, antiderivative of sine of x. So what function, when you take its derivative, you get positive sine of x? It's negative cosine of x. Okay, good. Let's move to the next one. Right here, we've got a negative x squared. What's the antiderivative? Yep, it's going to be x to the third. What number in front? Negative 1/3. Okay, move here. What's the antiderivative of positive 2x? It's going to be x squared, but what number in front? 2 times what gives me 2? Just 1, so here it is. There it is. That's the antiderivative of the pink terms. straight evaluation bar 0 to 2.31. Okay, let's move up. Let's plug them in. I'm going to evaluate. Here we go. Negative cosine 2.31 minus 1/3 2.31 cubed plus 2.31 squared. Good. Minus now negative cosine of 0. When I plug 0 into both here and here, all I get is 0. Okay, now let's figure this out. In my calculator, make sure my calculator is in radians. It is. I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. First of all, negative cosine of 2.31, good, minus parenthesis 1 divided by 3, good, times 2.31 raised to the 3rd power, good, then plus 2.31 squared. Okay, that right there is 1.90. Now, cosine of 0, look right here. Cosine of 0 is 1. So we have minus a negative 1. Our answer, plus a positive, there it is, 2.90. Now, what do I want? Well, I want, first of all, I want to see where you're starting and finishing. Then I want to see your definite integral. Okay, again, top equation minus bottom equation. Then I want to see your antiderivatives with your straight evaluation bar and the limits. And then I want to see your answer. Okay, so to get your answer, you don't have to evaluate it like I did. You could, or you could go back up to the original integral. Do that in your calculator and get that answer, 2.90. Okay, that is the end of Calculus Lesson 7.2. You have 4 problems in tonight's homework, very similar to what I just showed you here. Okay, have a good one out there in video land.